a winning candidate says, I have won by 10,000 votes. The persons you are talking of, not even 500 people. How my election is affected?
I'm not.
How many votes did your political party got in the election?
No, I'm not. That's why I'm saying that there's a larger issue here.
When people reject, then you use the judicial platforms to get popularity.
No,
That is
because
what
it's not
happens.
for
Political parties who want to settle that political score before us. We would like to examine those questions at the instance of some public spirited persons. Because if this political party gets power, they will do the same thing.
And in the Lord Upadhyay matters, etc. With regard to freebies and so on, that in Pentalapati in particular, just kindly just see that for a moment, where your lordships have issued notice. Just hand that up. Hand up copies, enough copies.
The point is, Mr. Singh, we are not on the, suppose somebody files an election petition within time.
No,
and
we
takes
talking
this
about a model code of conduct for the entire state, and not where the level playing field is on the face of it. Now disturbing the level playing field and creating a situation where there's a complete disparity in the level playing field can't be a corrupt electoral practice per se. But in a fiscal deficit state, a state which is one of the most indebted states in the country, within the first 5 or 6 most indebted states in the country, to pay 15,600 crores in a immediate pre-election dole, and adding to the future debt of the state with no budgetary support, with no budgetary allocation, etc. And it completely upsets the playing field.
There is a difference between a legal constitutional question and the wisdom of the government in pursuing a fiscal economic policy.
Precisely what your lordships have said. If there's no rationale for it,
it's for the people to vote out their.
No, this is not a this is not a policy where
it was
a
policy.
Let me just make the point.
Let me
just make the point for a moment. Just see first Pentalapati for a moment. Lordship will see the notice which is issued.
No, Mr. Singh, we can't issue notice like this. Please, there has to be some prescribed format of entertaining a petition. You see, it is nothing but a composite election petition pertaining to every election. That you all, in omnibus order, set aside all the entire election.
No, but that so far as that prayer deals concerned, your lordship may keep it aside.
Let us assume that allegation is correct. It will have to be proved in the election petition that the particular candidate has been benefited, and by virtue of that benefit, would amount to corrupt practice, and there has to be a specific allegation. Beneficiaries will have to prove. Assuming a winning candidate says, I have won by 10,000 votes. The persons you are talking of, not even 500 people. How my election is affected?
I'm not on, for a moment, I'm not on the individual corrupt electoral practice alone. We are talking about the model code of conduct being disturbed across the state by virtue of the level playing field being absolutely torn asunder. We are not, this is not, just see for a moment, first just see these, what notice your lordship issued here. Here in Pentalapati, just consider this first. I'll just go step by step. It's a very serious issue. And your lordships have in PU of the election. These are definitely subject of judicial review and not an election petition. So I'm saying keep aside the prayers for a moment. Just kindly see Pentalapati for a moment. Lordship sees issue notice.
First of all, you tell us what is the logic for not going to the High Court, by the way. It pertains to a state where the High Court is the most convenient platform. There they can call for the record, they can verify anything, they can take a view.
No,
first of all, why is coming to it's not a pan-India issue?
Because these issues, your lordships already seized of these issues.
Not seized on any matter.
Yeah, yes, just see for a moment the Pentalapati order, if my lord see that, and issue notice on prayers A, B, and D of the writ petition. Now this petition, I must say,
that we have seized of the matter in the.
No, just see the prayers at the end of the petition, the last 2 pages, Last 2 pages of this, Prayer A, issue a writ order of direction, more particularly one in the nature of mandamus, declaring the implementation of direct cash transfer schemes before and during election process, such as PM Kisan, so and so.
Direct transferring, this scheme is something different. Here it is the self-help group of women. They are working, therefore they are, it is a guaranteed, you manufacture something, you produce something, and there is a guarantee.
No, that's the whole point. It is given to 1.56 crore women with
Yes.
no prior scrutiny. Just see the dates for a moment. If your lordship, if my lords ultimately say go
Just
to the
see
High
the
Court, well, we'll go to the High Court. But just see for a moment, just see how grave it is. Lords, on 29th of August 2025, a Mukhyamantri Mahila Rozgar Yojana is announced, saying 10,000 rupees each to all people who are on the Jivika scheme, which the only qualification is your husband or you should not be an income taxpayer and you should not be holding a government job. Whether you're in a private job, whether you require employment or not, whether you're already holding a job.
How many votes did the political party got in the
No,
election?
I'm not, that's why I'm saying that there's a larger issue here.
When people reject, then you use the judicial platforms to get popularity.
No,
That is
because
what
it's
happening.
it's not for popularity. I'm saying the issue here is it's announced saying 10,000 each today, another 2 lakhs to be given after assessment.
Therefore,
So
somebody should
assessment,
have, somebody,
the first 10,000 without any assessment.
this gentleman, after all, is well conversant with everything. If such a scheme is launched, somebody should have challenged the scheme itself.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Someone could challenge the scheme itself. This
That
scheme-
also can, would
That
be
is
done.
not the prayer before us. That is not the prayer.
No, one of the prayers is to that effect also, Lord.
No. That prayer is just ancillary one. Main prayer is declare the entire election to be null and void.
Just sees the prayers at page 54, Lord. We can segregate the prayers. And if my Lord say,
Please
still.
go to High Court. Your matter is only for one state. There is a High Court in this state. Please avail the remedy. We will have the benefit of the viewpoint of the High Court when you will come to us.
Very well, Lord. Then your lordship may just make it clear that since it pertains to one state, because your lordships have in fact issued notice and now listed the other matters where the similar issues arise in March, my lords have listed them.
Send them also to their respective state.
No, Pentalapati in fact deals with about 5 states. The one where your lordships have issued notice, prayers A, B, and D, deal with 5 states, and there I must say
There are some cases where there are other cases where we are examining, and we would like to examine very seriously the freebies before election.
Let me just make one point, brother, and I'm in your lordship's hand if my lord say go to the High Court. The point is, if there is, just examine this on a larger issue. If there is a fiscal deficit state which is bearing one of the highest state debts today, lords, among the larger states, certainly it's one of the most indebted states. And it is a dole in the sense that the scheme itself says that 10,000 rupees will be paid to you immediately. Everybody who's on the Jivika scheme. And they enroll another 25 to 35 lakh people are enrolled after the Model Code of Conduct comes into play and are paid, lords. 15,600 crores is the amount paid during the
We are hinting you that the question of this freebies before the election is being examined by us seriously. We would like to go into the logics of all those things in the appropriate cases, but not at the instance of a political party which has just lost everything in the election, and then you want to take up this issue. No, we have to test the bona fide also.
Your lordship may consider just segregating the prayers, those prayers which are
This
dealing.
kind of relief, better you go to High Court. Some genuine person who will come with
Just
bona fide.
only just see the prayers for a moment at page 54, lords. If my lords are kind enough.
That prayer comes very late, before, see the earlier all main prayers.
So, Lord, in fact, the prayers A to D, your lordships are concerned about, lords.
And
But
we will not, even that issue we won't like to examine at the instance of the political parties who want to settle their political score before us. We would like to examine those questions at the instance of some public spirited persons.
My lord.
Because if this political party gets power, they will do the same thing.
Just
They are accusing the other. They will do the
just give
same.
me a moment, brother. I think you better go to the High Court. Lord, then we'll withdraw with liberty to go to the High Court.